It is quite possibly going to be the hottest day of the summer so far here. It's definitely getting quite warm inside the caravan. In warm weather, you can very much feel that you are living inside a tin can. But summer is now drawing to a close here, and we have lots of adventures still planned. So let me take you along. We made the very conscious decision this summer not to go away anywhere. We do have some travel plans for later in the year, but not until October. And whilst we're busy here at home with the business and our house build, we thought it would be a great opportunity to get out in as much sunshine as we can find and explore our local area. It really has been a fantastic summer so far, and we are really getting into the closing weeks of August now. It is warm out today, but the nights are definitely cooler. The nights are also definitely longer. It is really noticeably getting dark much earlier at the moment, but we do still have a few adventures left to get through. So today's plan, I think, is to head out for an evening picnic. We have been working this morning, so we haven't really had a lot of time to get out and enjoy the really beautiful weather today, but we do want to change that later in the day. We're thinking about heading up into the Lake District, hopefully getting somewhere near either a river or a lake, and taking some food along with us. So let's go.
Tall
It is another lovely sunny day here. We have had quite a few recently, so it has been such a pleasure to get out with the camera and show you some of our late summer adventures. I wanted to just wrap this vlog up by saying thank you for being here, and I hope you have enjoyed coming along with me around the Cumbrian countryside, seeing what this beautiful part of the world has to offer. We are very much hoping for some more nice weather in the weeks to come, but it is definitely starting to feel a bit more autumnal. There was really quite heavy fog in the valley this morning, and it's not the first time we've seen that first thing. And there is also a definite chill in the air at night now. The nights are getting longer, and I don't think it will be long at all until we start seeing the first changing leaves. For now though, I am going to soak up as much sun as possible before the season changes, and I will see you next time.